Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix USB keyboard not recognized in Windows 10 or 11, right? So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to unplug your keyboard from USB cable and plug it back in and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, try a different port. It will basically turn on in a lot of ways with a different port. Another thing that I suggest to do here is to restart your computer, because sometimes your keyboard has shortcuts that you press and it auto locks the keyboard. So what I suggest to do here is to restart your computer, and that auto lock should disable or turn off. And if it's not working, then last thing what I suggest to do here is to go on Windows icon here, right click on it, go to settings. On settings, you need to go to accessibility. Then on accessibility, go to keyboard. On keyboard, you need to go and look if the filter keys is not on. If it's on, as you can see here, keyboard will not work, right? So, and if the filter keys is off, keyboard is working. So that's pretty much it. And if none of these methods do not help you, probably it's broken USB cable, or your keyboard is also broken, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.